Let's go to the calculations of the magnifying power and definitions of the expression for magnifying power when the image at LDDV and its definition. So now my dear, what is magnifying power? You all know, you all can see that the object is at infinity. The object is at infinity and the image is obtained at LDDV. So here my dear, when I define magnifying power, I'll say it is the ratio of angle subtended by the final image. Angle subtended by the final image is beta, and where this final image is formed at least distance of distinct region, near point. So it is a ratio of angle subtended by the final image at the eye. Angle subtended at the eye, you can say angle subtended at the eye, पहले ये लिख लेते हैं, at the eye by the final image formed at LDDV. That is capital D distance पे it is formed to the, now this is for beta my dear, angle subtended by the final image at the eye formed at LDDV, that is angle beta, to the angle subtended at the eye by the object at infinity, by the object, and where the object is at infinity. Simple. What is magnifying power of the telescope of the telescope when the image is at least distance of distinct region, when the image formed at least distance of distinct region? So it is a ratio of angle subtended by the final image at the eye formed at least distant of distinct region to the angle subtended by the object, that is alpha my dear, to the angle subtended by the object when object is at infinity. So my dear, according to definition, therefore magnifying power at LDDV is equal to, this is beta, that is angle subtended by the image, to the angle subtended by the object, that is alpha. This can be written as my dear 10 beta divided by 10 alpha. Now from figure, if you all can see, this m is equal to, you all know from figure, this is, you can put it as equation number 1. My dear, from figure 10 beta is equal to, you can see from figure my dear, in triangle a dash b dash e. From figure 10 beta is nothing but my dear a dash b dash upon b dash e, that is in triangle, you can see in triangle a dash b dash e. Similarly my dear, 10 alpha, again from figure you can find 10 alpha is nothing but a dash b dash upon o b dash, that is in triangle a dash b dash o. One is a dash b dash eyepiece E, another is a dash b dash o objective. So 10 alpha is obtained from a dash b dash o and 10 beta is obtained from a dash b dash e. Now my dear, here if I put this as equation number 2, so here I can order substituting equation 2 in 1, we get magnifying power at LDDV, least distance of distinct region. I keep writing, this is magnifying power at LDDV is equal to 10 beta upon 10 alpha, and that is equal to my dear 10 beta divided by 10 alpha, and that is equal to, I can write here with the blue ink, that is a dash b dash upon b dash e whole divided by A dash B dash upon OB dash, and this will give me OB dash divided by B dash E. OB dash divided by B dash E. Now my dear, from figure you all can see how much is OB dash. How much is OB dash? OB dash is FO. OB dash is FO. So this will become FO divided by B dash E. B dash E, this one, B dash E, since it is the object distance UE. So if I use a Cartesian, no problem, I am using Cartesian right now. At the end I will show you that negative sign indicate real inverted image, because magnification is as such positive only. Angular magnification at LDDV or infinity, my dear, I told you in numerical, whenever magnification question will be there, the answer comes in positive. Then what this minus sign indicate? They indicate the nature of the image. That minus sign indicate it is real inverted image. I will show you. I am using the Cartesian here, and at the end when the minus sign appear, I will say there the minus indicates so and so. That is, image is real inverted. Am I clear, my dear? But the magnification still is remain, answer will be in positive only. So take care of that part. I write there FO, because here it is with the help of Cartesian, so it will be FO only because it is in the direction of the ray of light, and UE will be negative because it is opposite to the direction of the incident ray of light. Incident ray of light is this way and it is measured this way. You all can see, my dear. So UE will be negative, so this will be minus UE. This I will put it as equation number 3. This is minus UE. Now my dear, let us apply, there it is FO upon minus UE as the magnification for least distance or distinct vision. Now I will go further, and I will, because you all know, my dear, eyepiece is forming a final image. So let us apply a thin lens formula for eyepiece, only to the eyepiece. I am applying the thin lens formula for eyepiece, my dear. And when I apply this thin lens formula for eyepiece, you all know the thin lens formula. So here I am writing, by applying thin lens formula for eyepiece, so my dear, here you all know that thin lens formula is 1 upon B minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now since here the eyepiece is forming the final image, so you all can see here B is the minus D, because the final image is formed at least distant of distinct vision, and again it is opposite to the direction of incident ray, so it will be minus. I am using Cartesian. As I promised, I told you at the end I will show that minus sign, the formula indicate the nature of image. Magnification answer will be keep in positive and magnitude only. So here it is V is equal to minus D, U is equal to, that is object distance is minus UE, because I have applied this formula for eyepiece, so object distance is minus UE, and focal length F is equal to FE only, because sir it is a convex lens, eyepiece itself is a convex lens, so focal length will always positive. So now let us apply this to this three condition there in the thin lens formula. So as soon as I apply formula, this become, therefore this will become 1 upon minus D minus 1 upon minus UE is equal to 1 upon FE. V become minus D, so it is 1 upon minus D minus, I put minus, U is minus UE, so this is 1 upon minus UE is equal to 1 upon FE. This will become, this will be minus 1 upon D plus 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon FE. So this is minus D minus 1 upon D plus 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon FE. So now my dear, if I solve this as further, what happened? Look at it, this will give me what? This will become 1 upon UE. This will give me 1 upon UE. Therefore, this will be 1 upon UE is equal to, my dear, 1 upon FE plus 1 upon D. This will be give me 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon UE is here only. This is 1 upon FE. I have took minus 1 upon D on that side. It become plus 1 upon D. I hope it is clear, and I will put this as equation number 4. So you all know my equation 4 is getting 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon FE plus 1 upon D. So now, my dear, here I will order substituting equation 4 in equation 3. So my dear, here all everybody can see that equation 4 is what and equation 3 is what. Equation 3 is magnification at LDDV is equal to minus FO upon UE. This is your equation 3. This can be written as minus FO into 1 by UE minus FO into 1 by UE. My FO upon minus UE, है ना? So I can write minus FO upon UE. What's wrong in that? Minus can be written up also, no issues. So it is minus FO upon UE. Can I split minus FO into 1 by UE? And 1 by UE I got it as 1 by FE plus 1 by D. This I can write also, bache. This also I can write in place one more this thing. This I can write it as, say, 1 upon FE is taken common. 1 upon FE is taken common. So if 1 upon FE is taken common, my dear, then here you can write this as, here in the bracket, this is 1 upon FE common. So here it will be 1 plus, here it will be 1 plus, you all can see 1 upon FE is taken common. So inside the bracket it will be 1 plus FE by D. It is 1 plus FE by D. You all can see. You all can see this is 1 plus FE by D. That is your equation 4. So what I did, I have taken 1 by FE common, my dear. As soon as I took 1 by FE common, I got the answer as 1 plus, because here there is 1 upon FE is taken out, so it will be 1 plus FE by D. Because there is no FE there with this term, so FE will be in numerator FE by D. So that FE and FE cancel. Once again I will get 1 by D. So now, my dear, 1 by UE I got it as, so here it will be minus FO into 1 by UE, and 1 by UE I got it as 1 by FE into 1 plus FE by D. You all can see. So now, my dear, what is the actual answer I am getting? I am getting that the magnification at LDDV is equal to minus FO upon FE. Minus FO upon FE. This is 1 plus FE by D. I hope it is clear. And here, my dear, I just wanted to show that here there is a minus sign, here there is a negative sign, and this negative sign indicates, I am writing here, negative sign indicates image is real inverted. Negative sign indicates image is real inverted. So I hope everybody understood, my dear, what does this negative sign indicates. The negative sign here in the formula, which is coming due to a using of Cartesian sign conventions, my dear. This negative sign indicates that the image which is obtained, the final image which is obtained, is real and inverted with respect to the object. So here, my dear, this is one thing. Second, I hope you all can see from formula, the FO is greater than FE. You all can see, my dear, here I'm leaving this, I'm moving this definition. You all can see, bache, thus M at LDDV, I got the answer minus FO upon FE into 1 plus FE by D. Now, my dear, since as I given an idea about negative sign, that negative sign indicates that it is real inverted image. Next, one more thing I wanted to share with you all, since FO is greater and greater than FE, objective focal length is larger than eyepiece focal length. So if, my dear, FO is greater than FE, therefore magnifying power is large. Hence magnifying power is large. Because FO is greater than FE, bache. So you can think over what will be the answer for this, my dear. Agar numerator denominator se bada hai, so of course the magnification is large, my dear. So hence magnifying power is large, because FO, of course sir, in figure also, FO is greater than FE. So the magnifying power of this answer of this question will be large. Now I will do it for infinity, and I'll tell you 2-3 more important concepts. After comparing LDDV image and infinity image, we will get more concept की magnification and LDDV शायद ज़्यादा होता है compared to infinity. That concept also. But here I am giving only for LDDV. कि सर देखो magnifying power large होगा, because FO, of course FO is greater than FE, and hence the magnifying power, the answer of magnifying power is of course large. And second is the negative sign indicate in the formula about the nature of the image, that the image is real inverted. So that's all, my dear, for LDDV. Now let's go for image formed at infinity, and then I will compare image at LDDV and image at infinity, and I will give you 2-3 more crucial points which is important to understand. Length of the tube in this case is FO plus UE. Don't forget, FO plus UE is the length of the tube in the case of least distance of distinct region. There in infinity, I'll tell you what will be the length of the tube after drawing the diagram.